Narendra Modi will be the first Indian Prime Minister to travel to Israel, a visit that will finally bring one of the world's close relationships out of the closet. While dates for the trip are yet to be fixed, Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj announced she would visit Israel later this year along with Palestine and Jordan. Presenting an annual wrap-up of her ministry's work for the first year, Swaraj also clarified that there was no decision on a cricket series with Pakistan after all, and that the Modi government's diplomacy had resulted in 39% growth in FDI pouring into India in the past year. Modi's visit to Israel is almost a foregone conclusion. There aren't many world leaders he refers to as my friend, which is a regular prefix he uses for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Netanyahu was also the only bilateral meeting he had on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly last year. India recognized Israel in 1950 but soon after voted against it in the UN. Diplomatic ties were established by Narasimha Rao's government in 1991. Though there had been some unofficial contacts earlier, as in the famous visits by Moshe Dayan. Jyoti Basu, the Communist Chief Minister of West Bengal, broke ground when he visited Israel. During the Vajpayee years, Jaswant Singh and L.K. Advani had both visited Israel, but Vajpayee couldn't. Ariel Sharon was the first Israeli Prime Minister to visit India in 2003, but there had been no high-level visits from India since. Former Israeli President Shimon Peres visited India, but in the past decade, while the real relationship progressed quickly, it was only former Foreign Minister S.M. Krishna who travelled to Jerusalem. Swaraj meanwhile fielded questions on a perceived flip-flop in her government's policy on Pakistan, whether China and India could work on out-of-the-box solutions to the boundary dispute, and if she maintained a low profile because Modi had put a gag order on her. Has Modi placed a gag order on her? As far as low profile is concerned, this is what goes with my profile. Prime Minister has not imposed any restrictions on anyone, so why will he put it on me? But why you feel that I am low profile is because I have become External Affairs Minister from the position of Leader of Opposition. In LOP profile, I had to speak every day. But as Foreign Minister, my opinion is that I should not speak on domestic issues. Because when the Foreign Minister speaks, it is not her personal opinion or the party's, but the country's opinion. Therefore, a Foreign Minister should not speak. So I decided that the profile I have got, I should not speak, and I followed that, she said.